Guys, so starting off we have to do our makeup first. So I'm using Zickel Even True foundation and this Isa and Dose. I'm mixing them together because today we're going to try our best, or I'm going to try my best to imitate a what's it called, a photo shoot makeup to the best of my ability. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. I'm going to go in with another foundation because I want absolute coverage. So what I'm doing is, as much as I'm like creating content for YouTube, I'm also going to be cutting most of this for like a reel. So I'm trying to make my work easier. So I might do a transition like this. You never know. Okay, so this one. By the way, I'm using a damp beauty blender. Bake, I'm going to use this, I don't know the name, but it's a very good that is there. I'm going to contour. I'm going to use this very old palette of mine, Usher's. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, I've been going in a lot. So I'm going to do my nose first. going back with the contour to define it. Okay, so I've put my lash. This lash is really long. I'm going to finish up with my eyes, and then we'll move to finishing up with my face, and yeah, I'm going to swatch up. I'm also going to go in with a glitter. Who is calling me now? Hey. So I'm going to go in with glitter. This is the Beckham Ageless. I've had this for a very long time, so I don't think they will still have it. So I'm just going to apply some at the tip of my eyes here. Yo. Okay, it's given. This highlight is very pigmented, like I love it. So I'm going to do some for under this place as well. Whoa. And do for like under my brows as well, just to give me that really nice shine. Try and blend it out. Okay, so I'm going to do my powder now, and for my powder I'm using this. Okay, let me do under my eyes, because I don't really like eye makeup, to be honest with you guys. My eyes are very, like, my eyes get teary easily, so if I'm going to do makeup under my eyes, it's on special occasions, and I feel like this is one, because I need to take a lot of photos for YouTube and all that stuff. So I'm just going to close my eyes. Oh Jesus, so scared. Okay, that's enough, please. All right, so finishing touch, Zickel long lasting compact powder. I'm going to go in with this brush. This powder is really nice. using this Ever Beauty. I'm using the shade 277 to okay. It's given. So I don't do much for my lips. Me, eyelash is the most for me. So I think I'm done here. This highlight needs to highlight properly. Okay, so I am done doing my makeup, so I'm just going to go get my hair and we move. Okay, so I am back and this is what I look like. God, I look so matured. Anyways, I am done with my makeup, so it's time to take pictures for, you know, Instagram, and you're going to be seeing a lot of this pictures on my social media. Okay, so yeah, I'm just trying to section my hair properly. So in case you are wondering, this hair is the Darling hair. I made a wig tutorial on this video, so go and watch it. Anyways, let me stop talking. It's time to start taking pictures and, you know, get into the whole snapping thing. So let's get going. Oh, jewelries, don't forget your jewelry. So I'm not going to be needing earring because this hair is going to cover my ear, but I'll wear a wristwatch, some rings to, you know what, let me just get into it right now. My wristwatch, I don't think it will show, but just in case. My ring sets, I made a video about where I got this ring from, so watch it. So yeah, let's start taking a picture. So much for staying tuned. This is just a get ready with me video on how I take Instagram pictures. So how I edit, I'm not a professional editor, so I don't think I need to show you that. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, have a lovely day. Before you leave, please subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe. All right, thank you so much. Bye.